Hey guys, welcome to the next video on Docker tutorial for beginners. In this video, we are going to see how we can download and install Docker on our Mac operating system. So let's get started. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Docker. And the first link which will appear here will be from docker.com. So we are going to click into this link, and then straight away you can see this button get started or this button get started. So you can click on one of these buttons, and then you will be able to see this button which says download Docker for Mac and Windows. So I'm going to just click on this button, which will redirect me to the Docker Hub website. Now, in order to download the Docker binary, you need to have a Docker account. So if you haven't created a Docker account, you can just click on this sign up link here and then just fill your basic details like Docker ID, email and password, and create your Docker ID and Docker account. And once you have your Docker ID and Docker account, you can just log in with your Docker account here on this website. So I'm going to just give my Docker credentials. First is the Docker ID, and then second is the password. And now I'm going to just sign into this Docker Hub website, which will allow me to download this Docker desktop for Mac. So I'm going to just click on this download link here, which will start the download of the Docker. Now once this docker.dmg file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this docker.dmg file, and I'm going to minimize the browser. And you can see this DMG file is opening first of all. And once this window opens, you just need to drag this Docker icon to your applications. So it's that simple to install Docker on your Mac operating system. So once Docker is copied into your applications folder, you can close this window and open Docker from here, or you can just go to the launchpad and you will be able to see this Docker icon here. So you can just click on the Docker icon, which is going to start the Docker on your Mac operating system. So just wait for a few seconds, and now you will see this message which says Docker is an app downloaded from internet. Are you sure you want to open it? So I'm going to just say open, and in the next step I can see this window which asks me to give some privileged access. So I'm going to just click on OK, and then I'm going to give my Mac's password. And now you can see Docker desktop is starting on my Mac operating system, and you can see this Docker icon on top of your Mac desktop. So I will wait for this Docker desktop to start, and once this Docker desktop starts, we will start testing if everything is working fine. In the meantime, I can also give my Docker ID and password to log into the Docker using this Docker desktop application. So let me give my Docker ID and the password, and then I'm going to just say login, and you can see I am logged in with my Docker ID into this Docker desktop application. And now I can see this message which says Docker desktop is now up and running. So what we are going to do next is we are going to just open the terminal. So I'm going to just search for terminal, and then I'm going to open the terminal. And once my terminal is open, I can just check the Docker version by just giving this Docker version command and then press enter, and I can see this long message, and here the version information is displayed, and then the API version is displayed, and all the other information about my Docker is displayed here. Also, when I give docker info command, so let me just clear this terminal once again, and then I'm going to just give docker info command, and it's going to give me bunch of information about Docker and Docker engine and the status of Docker engine. Let me clear this terminal once again, and now I'm going to test Docker by giving this command. So I'm going to just say Docker run hello world and then press enter, which is going to fetch this hello world image from Docker Hub if it's not already present on my Mac locally. And once this image is pulled, it's going to just display hello from Docker. That means everything is working fine and you can start working with Docker. Now one more command you can use here is this command, which is Docker images, which is going to show you the list of images which are present on your Mac operating system. And you can see I only have one image right now, which is hello world, which I have fetched just a few seconds ago. And you can see this Docker icon here. So when you click on this Docker icon, you can do lots of things. For example, if you want to restart your Docker, then you can just click on this. If you want to quit the Docker desktop, then you can click here. And there are lots of settings and updates and preferences settings you can do from this Docker desktop icon. And there are lots of other settings you can do from this window or this menu from here. So this is how you can download and install Docker on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.